Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video, I'm just going to paint over a wooden plaque that I previously used, and I'm going to try out a different cell activator again. This one is just regular Floetrol and paint. No ink, no water, just Floetrol and paint. But I had that recipe in my description, but the measurements are different. This time it's more Floetrol. So it's 1 teaspoon of paint and 10 teaspoons of Floetrol with Amsterdam. I'm using Amsterdam lamp black. So I'm going to give it a try and see how it works. So come and join me and let's see how it goes. Hi everybody. Okay, I'm going to pour over this modified bloom. This is just some eggshell house paint. So better get my gloves on. So I've got some gold, Rust-Oleum gold. And these are all mixed with my blue mixture. So I've got Rust-Oleum gold. Let's see what the consistency is of this. See, the pillow paint is thinner, so I need to thin down my paints a little bit more. Your colored paints are supposed to be the same or thinner than your pillow. So that's pretty much the same. I've got some cad orange, PBO cad orange, violet blue by PBO, and this is a PBO purple, oriental purple. Okay, so I'm going to put the purple down first. I don't have much left. And some PBO violet, blue violet, violet blue. Some cad orange. And Rust-Oleum gold. Just mix this up, so I'm just okay. Now my cell activator is regular Floetrol and lamp black by Amsterdam. Give it a good shake before you use it. All right, let's give this a go. I think I'll use my, I'll my funnel on. It takes a bit of time, but they do come up. I'm going to take my little straw and blow some in the middle. Nope. Well, they're very fine around the edges. I thought they would be a little more than that. Maybe the blower's not the thing to do with this cell activator. But I'll do another one. Seeing if it moves at all. I'm not getting the phone. It can go to the answering machine. All right, see if I can give this a spin. I think the middle is stuck. Kind of maybe pushed it too hard, but cells are getting bigger. It's pretty though. Look at those colors. I like that. I like this color combination. to leave this one. I'm going to do another one. Hi everyone. Here's my dried results of this wooden canvas with the regular Floetrol cell activator. Look at how pretty that is. Dried really good. Love this colors. There you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.